Hello children, let us open the EVS reader on page number 85. Today we will read lesson number 11, Air. Air is all around us. All the living beings need air to breathe. Air is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Colorless means without any color. You cannot see the air, it is colorless. Odorless means without any smell. And tasteless gas. We can't see air, but we can feel air when it moves. Here you can see in the picture the girl can feel the air. You can see this is the air which is blowing and which you can only feel it, you can't see. Air is the mixture of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. We must breathe in fresh and clean air. It keeps us healthy. We should plant more trees around us. Trees make the air fresh and clean. Now let's learn about the uses of air. Here we have to list out 4 uses of air. So you all take a pencil in your hand and start writing. Number 1, the first use of the air is to breathe. All the living beings, it can be human beings, plants, animals, insects, birds, everyone needs air to breathe. So all of you write down number 1, to breathe. Then the second one, to blow a balloon. All of you write down to blow a balloon. Number 3, to fly a kite. Air is needed to fly a kite. All of you write down. Then write down the fourth one, to fill into the tires of the vehicles. So in this way you have learned 4 uses of air. You have to learn this. Write it neatly without any spelling mistake and also learn it afterwards. Now let us read about the properties of air. Air has many properties. Air has weight. Have you ever blown up a balloon? This is a blown up balloon. Think about it. At first, the balloon is small, flat, and deflated. What is the meaning of deflated? Deflated is to release all the air out from the balloon. Then it becomes like this. This is a deflated balloon and this is the inflated balloon. However, when you blow air into the balloon, it grows in size and is heavier than the deflated balloon. This inflated balloon in which we have blown in air is bigger in size and it is heavier than the deflated one. So which shows that air has weight. So the first property of air is air has weight. Now come to page number 86. The second property of air is air occupies space. Now what is the meaning of occupies? Occupies means fills the space. Air fills the space wherever it finds a space, it will fill inside it. Fill air in an inflated rubber toy. You will notice that it will expand and the size of the toy will also increase. This proves that air occupies space. Now this is a rubber toy, and when you fill it with the air occupies the space in it, and then it increases in size. So whatever space was there inside, the air has taken that space. So it is said air occupies space. Now the third property, air expands on heating. What is the meaning of expands? Expands means make something bigger. Now look here. Have you ever seen your mother making chapatis, rotis in the kitchen? Yes. When a roti is heated on the gas flame, it fills with air. This roti, when it is heated on the gas flame here, it fills with air, and so it expands. This proves that air expands when we heat it. Now the fourth property of air is we can feel air. We can feel the presence of air. What is the meaning of presence? Presence means existence. The air exists everywhere. When air blows, we can feel it on our body. The leaves of a tree also moves when air blows, which makes us feel that the presence of air around us. Now, the leaves of the tree which are falling from the tree, and when the air moves, what happens to the leaves? They blow away in the direction of the air. So this shows that air is present and we can feel it. Now come to the new topic, air pollution. Air gets polluted when it becomes dirty. The poisonous gases, smoke and dust particles cause air pollution. The polluted air is harmful for human beings, animals and plants. So this polluted air is very harmful. You cannot inhale this harmful air. Now we read the causes of air pollution, how the air gets polluted, what are the causes. Now let us read. Burning of garbage in the open. When the garbage is burnt in open, the air becomes polluted. Next one, burning of fuels in motor vehicles and industrial processes. In the industrial processes, the smoke from the factories is released into the open, and this mixes with the air and the air becomes polluted. Bursting of crackers. Here also we can see this crackers. When you burst the crackers, all the smoke gets mixed up with the fresh air, and then the whole air around it becomes polluted. Now come to page 87. Natural causes like forest fire and volcanic eruptions also are the causes of air pollution. And when you cutting of trees, when you cut down the trees, then the number of trees become less, and you all know that trees give us fresh air, and without trees you will not get any fresh air, and the polluted air will be increased. The air pollution increases in the surroundings if you cut down trees. Now spraying of insecticides and weedicides. You can see here, when you spray insecticides, this full air, the air around this area becomes polluted because of these chemicals in the insecticides, and you cannot breathe such air. So here we stop today. We will read the next part of the lesson tomorrow, and hope you have understood about the properties of air and causes of air pollution. Now tomorrow we will meet with a new video in which we will study about the ways to reduce air pollution. So till then, be safe, take care of yourself, and have a nice day.